Oh, I look cute. It's just so nice to have something warm to drink. None of these are good. Can you take a picture of me? Sure. Oops! My coffee! What am I gonna do? Oh, I know. Oh my gosh! What is wrong with you? Here, use this. Are you crazy? What? It's just pocket change. If I'm quick, it'll be okay. This is hilarious. Oh, a party! What will I wear? This looks good. Huh? Oh no! This isn't a good look. Whoa! I look like Bigfoot! I need to do something about this. Come on. Hello? I need your help. Okay, what are we working with? Will we get started? Pop these on. They're not designer, but okay. You might feel a little sting. Almost done. And that's us. Wow! I didn't feel a thing. Here you go. You've earned this. Sure. Thanks. This is more powerful than I thought. I've gotta go. What's her problem? My hair! I'm bald! Ah! I can't wait to go to this party. But I can't go looking like this. It's like a forest. Oh, I better shave. There must be something in here I can use. Ah, my trusty razor. Oh, I think it's seen better days. What else is in here? Oh, a new razor blade. But it needs a handle. This could be useful. I think this might work. I'll push the fork into the blade. I'll have smooth legs in no time. Here goes. Careful. Ooh, that was close. That's one arm done. Whew, finished at last. It didn't go as well as I thought. That's a lot of band-aids. Looks like I'm staying at home. Typical. Where is she? You're here! This is for you. Ooh. What's this for? I don't want it. I brought my own. Okay. Make sure you get my good side. Is this lighting okay? Sure. Let's lift some weights. Oh, feel the burn. Looking good. That's enough. Time for some core work. Ready? Oh, this is such hard work. Oh, that's lovely. Got it! Okay, stop. This is getting too much. What a workout. There's your phone. Are you serious? I look awful! What were you thinking? This room is so messy. Let's do this. I'm ready. How did they get there? Oh, I'm so lazy. Although, I have a great idea. If I hang the jeans over this door, then close it over, then put the broom through the belt hoops. It's perfect for pull-ups. Pain is only temporary. Wow, that was great. Look at those gains. I've got the fitness bug. I'll position the chairs like this. This is much tougher. Whoa! Maybe I could use this cloth. Can't skip leg day. Phew, I'll feel that tomorrow. And the floor is clean. Now that's a proper workout. I'm so glad you came! I'll be right back. Oh, I can't believe she lives here. This is nice. Huh? Is someone there? Hello? Probably nothing. Okay, that's weird. It's just your imagination. There's no such thing as ghosts or monsters. Something just touched me! Ah! It started! The robots are rising up! Oh no you don't! Get back here! What was that? What's going on? Think you can get away from me? Oh! Hey, Mickey. Why are you wrestling my vacuum? Your vacuum? Yeah. I need to clean up now. This outfit's cute. Oh no! Please be okay. Great! These were my favorite pair! I guess I should change. There must be something to wear. I need to do some laundry. Hold on. And now to get creative. Wow, these look great! And I don't need to do laundry. Time to go. Really? This is so unfair! Each sequin was hand-stitched. It's the latest style in Paris. No way. I hate it. How about this? Get this out of my sight! What else do you have? Find me something to wear. Back in a moment. Where are you going? Okay, I have this. It's very exclusive. Oh, and expensive. At last. Wow! I need to have them! They're perfect! I'm gonna try them on. Take your time. I've done it again. I'm a genius. This is so exciting! What will I spend the money on? What do you think? I know. I look amazing. What? Money can't buy taste. Thanks! What's taking so long? This burger looks great. I'm so hungry. Ooh! Bon appétit, madame. Not again. I'm so bored of gold burgers. At least it's not ramen. That looks delicious. I'd love some ramen. Hey, Essie. Wanna swap? Of course! I'm gonna enjoy this. Oh, it smells so good. I've not had a burger in so long. Ouch! My teeth. What is that? A gold chain? Is that supposed to be in there? It gives it flavor. Whatever. It's so juicy. Ow! What now? A diamond ring? This is my lucky day! It's so beautiful. And it suits me. There's something chewy in here. A plastic carrot? Oh, wow! Who cares? This ramen is yummy! We should swap more often. No matter how much money is in our bank accounts, we're all people at the end of the day. If you were rich, what would you do to make life more interesting? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos just like this one.